Here's my Amazon Seller Central. We're on Chrome, so you can see my Jungle Scout extension at the top. This is just my little dashboard. But over here, you can see my 30 days, and I actually just got paid out today for my most recent payment, and my balance is accruing, but that payment's every 2 weeks, so it's about 15 days. That my margin's just around 50% right there on average through all my products. And on my 30 days monthly revenue, I'm making just over $13,000. This ranges between about $10,000 to $15,000 depending on season. Once I hit the December timeframe, it just goes skyrocketing. I'm actually going to hit a couple months coming up where it should drop to $6,000 to $8,000. My products are pretty seasonal, and that's actually why they sell for a lot of them. But with this, it's all research, and with this research, I knew that I could get into this. I did a ton of work up front, and it paid off. It's an incredible process and doesn't require that much time. I spend probably a couple hours a week on the entire thing. Depending on the product, some of the products I spend like literally no time on it, and maybe a minute a day just to check these stats, just to see how everything's going. But it's pretty much hands off. I'm actually thinking about selling a couple products, getting out of it, liquidating it to make a return, because I feel like I can resell those, and once I sell those products off, I'll have more of an incentive to go and search for more products rather than just keep going. Because with this, I'm pretty much on autopilot, and I need something more to do. So if I sell it or sell all of it, I can start over from ground zero and then figure out what I want to do next. So I think there's a huge opportunity. Like I said, I've been doing this for a couple years, but it all started from the basic eBay and learning how to import. So it's built off a large base of knowledge, but I believe that anybody can do this. You just have to have the proper foundation and build the right knowledge. With me, I was all over the place. I just researched everything I could. I try to get off free sources. A lot of those free sources are wrong, and I really built up my knowledge myself this way by learning through experience. And I highly recommend that to everybody. Build through experience, learn by doing, and you will be successful.